experience in Olongapo, Subic. I've been there for I think several times, and I have a lot of good memory in Olongapo, Subic, and people in Olongapo is really nice. They're really polite and kind, and there is beach around Subic, and one of my favorite hotel in Subic is Blue Rock Resort. This hotel is located just beside the beach, so we can immediately go to beach if we want. For example, I want to walk sometimes to change my mind. At that time, if the beach is near, it's really convenient and I can immediately change my mind. So yeah, I want to share my experience to you guys. Okay, and let's get started. The hotel's outlook is like this. You can see the beach in front of the hotel. This time, I spent at second story and the hotel room is just like this. Why I stayed at second story is the view from the room. When weather is sunny, we can see clear water beach in front of us. This is the main restaurant in Blue Rock Resort. Every night, they do live band, so we can listen to music while eating the dinner.
Yeah, I know this song.
I tried to upload this video, but it has copyright, so I need to stop the music. I think this is day 2 of Blue Rock Resort. Weather condition is a little bit cloudy, but not warm and not so cold, and the environment really silent, so I had really good time. After a few days spending at Blue Rock Resort, I tried banana boat and that was really exciting. After relaxed for a while, I roamed around Subic and I ride on a jeepney. Afterward, I found a beautiful restaurant nearby, so I decided to take a meal in here. Near Blue Rock, I found massage shop. This is the price list. It will help you to find a good price for you. Also, this is near Blue Rock. It has sari store just beside Blue Rock. This is the beach of Subic. This beach is actually not so beautiful beach, but always calm and silent. Beside Blue Rock Resort, there is a shop. They are selling services like banana boat service or jet ski service. You can see waves are so small, so banana boat or jet ski might help you having a fun. At night, I ate oyster in the restaurant in Blue Rock Resort. They said oyster is famous in here in Blue Rock Resort. One of my hobbies is working out, and I cannot skip working out even I'm in abroad. So finally I found the gym. It's called Max Out Gym. Staffs are very kind. this is what I've tried, banana boat. After walking around the beach, sand might stick on your feet, but don't worry, you can remove sand using this shower. The restaurant in Blue Lock, the meal comes with buffet-style salad. The market is 30 to 40 minutes from Blue Lock Resort. You can go to the public market using jeepney. If you go to Subic, I highly recommend you to go to this restaurant because this restaurant's price is really cheap, but they serve good meal. Every meal I've tried in here is good. The name of the restaurant is Evermore's Tick's Corner because it's located in the corner. Thanks for watching my video experience in Subic. I really love Subic, but I think I'm not exploring fully. So if you have your recommendation for me, please leave the comment below. And I want to know Subic more, or not only Subic. I want to know more about Philippines. And please subscribe my video and put the bell to notify new video. Thank you.